Let's create another options screener. It will be a put options screener. There's 2.5 hours remaining in the trading day today, Friday, April 21st, 2023. So let's just take a good look at the screen, take off the calls. We'll add the weeklies, to that, and then add some of our favorite categories. One would be market cap. We want to try to stick with the bigger, more proven companies that have been around a long time. $1 billion market cap. It's us in the ballpark as far as a range minimum. Then we go to our return and what we're going to use on the static return. This is just a general put screener, no dividends involved. So let's look at the static annual return, add that in at 20% minimum on the annualized and see what we come up with. So we have 303 options on here, opportunities to make dollar bills. On an expiration Friday, let's change the view to the filter view and then reorganize the list based on most conservative to risking it for the biscuit. So here we have at the top, Citigroup is showing the current price of around 48.87, and this strike would be for a June expiration, June 16th, $46 strike. I'm out on that. Nvidia, I might be interested in looking at. I think Nvidia is up today though. I want to try to stick with red only if possible today, red only. I was looking at this Albemarle. They're going downtown to Chinatown today. They're down nearly 10%. And they are a lithium miner. Country of Chile. Is it chilly down there? No, I think it's balmy, a little warm down in Chile. They announced that they are going to essentially nationalize the lithium mining in Chile. So that has lithium mining stocks and otherwise companies related to it reeling today. Not sure I want to risk it for the biscuit, but I do have my eye on that. So we'll leave that one up for now. Leave it on up there. Leave it on up and then check on Nvidia because I think they're green today. Is that correct? On the Nvidia. Looking at them to see if they're red. If they're red, we will look at the options chain. Last I checked, hey, they're red. Why are you excited about it being red? Well, just because we get more action on the put side when we're selling the puts when they are red, because that it just automatically implies more risk. Okay, so they were over 271 today, and now they're trading down to 269.22. Let's pull up that 1 minute daily chart to see how those candles in the wind are faring. Oh boy. Oh boy. Okay, so we had a big bounce down all the way to 268.83. They've already recovered to 269.44. What is going on? And that's a lot of volume involved in the action here too. Interesting. You may have just missed a golden opportunity. Doesn't mean it isn't still an opportunity, because if we go to Nvidia, let's pull up the options chain and see what we're working with. And also make sure we know when they are reporting their earnings, right? Let's get out of this, go back here, carry the 1. My internet is acting very sluggish today. What is happening? It keeps going back to the same thing. Computer making that lovely humming noise for you as well. Can we get ourselves an earnings calendar? Might have to switch over to the might have to put the old hotspot on the internet if it keeps acting crazy. So let's take a look at NVIDIA. Sorry for the slow internet delays, and which also then slows down my mind. Not hard to believe, I know. It isn't. Okay, so they have some odd reporting dates, don't they? I don't think that's odd, Bart. So they're not reporting until May 24th. So let's go back to the options chain, see what's up, see what's going on. Yeah. Trade NVIDIA. Let's get out of Zax.com. Maybe that'll sometimes I notice when Zax is open for a while, then my computer fan in the old MacBook turns on. So let's go back to where we were. NVIDIA sell, put. Let's go a week out and just check on math. $262.50. Let's go 14 days out. These ranges look interesting. Not sure why the percentage of change is going down on them with the stock taking a little gas today. Let's look at the 1 year. Okay, so that's our minute. Let's go. Let's go year to date, is what I meant to say, not 1 year. Go with the lines, pull those lines up. So it was as high as what? So it's basically coming off year highs. So I don't know if that it's been trading above the Bollinger Band for a while now. So that scares me. But again, that Bollinger Band adjusts over time. Over time, I've been building my castle of love just for two. And we're building a castle of love, surrounding that by a financial moat, loading that moat up with reliable dividend paying companies that we can bolster returns with our premium collected on the options trades. I don't know. Let's look at the 1 month. It's been staying pretty high. So it looks like the lowest it's been in a month is like 261. Trying to talk myself through it out loud with you as my witness. Don't fall asleep. Do not fall asleep on me. Let's see here. Let's see. Can we get all the way here? Like if we're at this 16 delta at 250, what does the math look like? Because it's only a 14-day trade, right? So $2.03. Well, $2.01 divided by 250 is this number divided by 14 multiplied by this number, 365. So it just breaks through the 20% threshold that we like to receive annualized. 2-week trade, annualized 20% over time on a pretty conservative number. So Nvidia is battling back and forth today. It's already back up to over 270, and it was down as low as 268-ish today. So that's why our premium is changing right before our very eyes. Right before our very eyes, yeah. Let's see, can we get the $2? Don't know. I want to put the 2 on the board and then hopefully get that collected today. Oh, that's going to collect for sure. Don't even don't worry about it. $200 is a fine number. It is a fine number to collect. Hey, it even gave us an extra dollar bill there. Thank you, Robin Hood, for looking out for your friend, Bart Divvy. So we did get $201, $25,000 collateral. 2-week trade, annualized just over 20%. And a delta, pretty good delta of 16, fairly conservative, 84.23% probability of profit. Okay, so I am going to take this scanner, download it into a spreadsheet, and I will share that spreadsheet on this video in the description. Click on through if you'd like it. Let me know if there's any specific screeners you'd like me to do. I did pay for the bar chart premium, which gives me all kinds of cool opportunities with regard to the use of this website, which is a really great website, barchart.com. Make sure you are indeed a subscriber, like the video, comment, and I'll see you before the trading day ends, because we still got to put on our 14 days to expiration credit spread on the SPY, and we probably will have some more puts to sell. So I'll see you very soon.